Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. Okay, we've got our 4-button remote here for our smart key. We're going to go ahead and replace the battery. If your key ring is attached, leave it on, because your push bird's release, and out comes your key. Now when you look in your remote housing, you'll see this is where the key was, and you see this spot right here. Go ahead and put you a flat tip screwdriver in there and just twist it. And you notice this small flat tip barely did it. So if you need to go to a larger size, by all means do. Now we've got it open to that far. Go ahead and just gently pop the 2 halves open. If you notice on the back side, here's our battery. You see your metal retainer piece to hold it in. Notice you got all this plastic, but right here you don't. This remote even shows you put the flat tip here on the side and just lift up. You don't want to put too much under there, but you've got it out. It's a CR2032 battery, so we're going to put it back in. This remote here, you'll push in and you notice it snaps. That part around there holds the battery down. Take your 2 halves back together, squeeze it together. You notice it's snapping back, and there you go. You've just changed your battery on your remote. Hey, if you would, go ahead and give us a thumbs up if this video helped you out, and go ahead and check out our other playlists. We do have a lot of videos up. We got over 1,600 videos just in the different remotes alone, plus other locksmith videos from residential, commercial, and automotive. Send us an email if there's something you'd like to ask us or possibly make a video on, and we can see if we can help you out with it. Hey, thanks again for watching SgtLocksmith. Let's be safe out there.